Let's journey to Greece, the cradle of Western civilization rich in history and cultural heritage.
Welcome to Greece, the cradle of Western civilization. Our rich history spans from philosophy to democracy, shaping the foundations of the modern world. Greece is also home to the Olympic Games, which began in ancient times and were revived here in 1896, making us the first country to host the modern Olympics. From our stunning islands to ancient temples, Greece offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. We invite you to experience the spirit of Greece. Though we have faced struggles, we are rebuilding. Our spirit remains strong, driven by our commitment to our values and heritage.
Thank you, Greece, for sharing your unwavering spirit and rich history. Now, let us be enchanted by the elegance of Greece as our grateful Lily students perform a Greek dance celebrating their cultural richness.
3, 2, 1.
माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी पग पग प्यारे दंगल 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 सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल 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 माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी पग पग प्यारे दंगल दंगल
While every country has its own unique language, we will be showcasing the beautiful songs in regional languages to help us to understand and appreciate the rich culture and tradition of each nation.
धड़कने छाती में जब दुबक जाती है बीट धप धपा उनको फिर जगह बात बन जाती है बाबले हाथी की हर चुनौती है रे सामने खड़ी घूर के बड़ी आंख दिखलाती है तो आंख से उसकी आंख मिला के भिड़ जाने का नाम है प्यारे दंगल 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 सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल 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 ठोस मजबूत भरोसा अपने सपनों पे करना जितने मुंह उतनी बातें गौर कितनों पे करना आज लोगों की बारी जो कहें कह लेने के तेरा भी दिन आएगा उस दिन हिसाब चुका के रहना पूरा भारत
deserve.
Good evening, everybody. We would like to acknowledge and thank Mr. Sridhar, R. Sridhar, co-founder of Coaching Beyond, former player and captain Hyderabad for cricket, fielding coach for Indian cricket team 2014 to 21. Thank you, sir, for coming and gracing the occasion, sir. Assistant coach, India under-19 team for 2011 to 2014. Fielding coach for Punjab Kings 2014 to 2018. And assistant coach for Afghanistan cricket team 2024. Now I would like to add Coaching Beyond co-founder, partnering with Meridian. Thank you so much, sir.
Oh, magical mirror, show us a land where passion flows like a river and resilience defines its people.
Let's journey to Spain, a vibrant country known for its rich culture, fiery spirit, and warm hospitality.
Bienvenidos! Spain is the land of passion, from flamenco to football, where every corner echoes with history and every dish tells a story. Our culture is vibrant, our landscapes breathtaking, and our people warm and welcoming. Bullfighting, a centuries-old tradition, showcases the artistry and bravery deeply woven into our heritage, sparking admiration and debate alike.
Your energy is undeniable, but Spain faces economic challenges. How do you manage?
We are a resilient nation, always finding joy and passion in life. We face challenges with grace and determination, believing in a brighter future.
Thank you, Spain, for sharing your spirit of resilience and passion. Now, let us immerse ourselves in the lively culture of Spain as our Grade 1 Lily students perform a captivating Spanish dance.
3, 2, 1.
Please put your hands together to these cute little girls.
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है señorita.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो समझीना señorita. चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए भूले हम होता हम है क्या señorita. सुनो सुनो señorita कहते हैं हम क्या.
Jamás podré interpretar el sentido de las palabras que me dedicas, pero el calor de tu mirar me hace sentir como la más bella señorita.
निगाहों से कहीं अरमान की दास्तां है señorita. ये चाहत की मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबां है señorita. मुझसे अब नजर ना फेरो आओ पास तुम मेरे मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो समझीना señorita. चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए भूले हम होता हम है क्या señorita. सुनो सुनो señorita
cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो समझीना सेñorita
चाहत के दो पल भी दिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या दो पल को दो आओ खो जाए पूरे हम होगा हम है क्या चाहत के दो पल भी दिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या दो पल को दो आओ खो जाए पूरे हम होगा हम है क्या
Incredible energy and talent. That was absolutely stunning. Thank you, Spain.
Until now, it's been all about art, history, and culture. But what about a place that thrives on nature's wonders, wildlife, vibrant traditions? Oh, magical mirror, reveal us a land where nature's wonders, vibrant traditions, and spirit of determination come together. A place where wildlife roams free, a strength and hope shine brightly across every landscape.
Let us now journey to Africa, a continent of incredible diversity, rich traditions, stunning landscapes, and a profound legacy that has shaped the world.
Welcome to Africa, a land of contrast and beauty, where each country has its own unique story to tell. From the ancient pyramids of Egypt to the wildlife of the Serengeti, from the bustling cities of Lagos to the tranquilities of the African savannah, Africa is a continent like no other.
With such an immense diversity, how does Africa face its challenges?
Africa's strength lies in its unity and resilience. While we face challenges such as poverty, inequality, and climate change, we continue to grow and innovate.
Asante Sana, thank you Africa for sharing an incredible story of diversity, strength and hope. Now, let's celebrate Africa's rich culture with an energetic performance by our Grade 3 Lily students inspired by rhythms, colors and traditions of this magnificent continent. Presenting to you, Grade 3 Lily.
3, 2, 1.
Parents are requested to please be seated. You're blocking the view. I request parents to please be seated and enjoy the show.
I wanna wake up to the heat of the sun. I wanna feel it shine inside me. Oh yeah.
I wanna spark into the beat of the drum. I want my life runs all around me.
Oh yeah.
We together as one, we're all the same. Oh yeah, together as one, let's celebrate and let the world know.
Kwakumangaliseo! Let's make some noise for that fantastic performance. You guys rocked the stage. The perfect blend of technique and artistry. Thank you.
O Matchcom Mirror shows a land where tradition weaves through the streets, yet modernity thrives.
We'll travel to North Africa, to the vibrant kingdom of Morocco, where ancient cities meet the pulse of innovation.
Greetings! Morocco is a land of ancient cities and vibrant markets. Our rich culture is a tapestry woven from Arab, Berber, and French influences. We take pride in our history, which reflects our diversity.
Your culture is beautiful, but how do you balance tradition with the challenges of modernization?
We embrace both our past and our future. Morocco is a land of transformation where tradition meets innovation. We honor our heritage while welcoming progress, striving for a balanced future.
Thank you, Morocco, for sharing your journey of balance and growth. Now, let's enjoy a delightful performance that embodies the spirit of Morocco. As our grateful Lotus students showcase a traditional Moroccan dance filled with the essence of the vibrant culture.
3, 2, 1.
While every country has its own unique language, we will be showcasing these beautiful songs in regional languages.
this one. We're about to go crazy with this, yo. RDB, Nidhi Core, big up to my boy Buffy. We're about to mix it up like this. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, come on. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Come on.
Please encourage them. Tennessee, keep clapping.
अब मिलके सारे ऐश करें ये प्यार की दौलत कैश करें अब मिलके सारे ऐश करें ये प्यार की दौलत कैश करें मन में जो आए वो ही पाए इस दिल की सुनते हम
Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Come on. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Come on, come on, come on. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Come on, everybody go. Mix it up. Yo, mix it up. Yo, mix it up. Come on, mix it up. Yo, mix it up. Yo, mix it up.
Breathtaking performance. Thunderous round of applause, please.
Oh, magical mirror! Show us a land where ancient wonders still stand tall and history echoes through time.
We'll travel to the mystical land of Egypt, where the pyramids rise from the sands and the Nile carries the stories of a great civilization.
Welcome to Egypt, the land of ancient wonders. From the majestic pyramids that have stood the test of time to the life-giving Nile River that flows through our land, we are a country rich in history and culture.
Your history is impressive, but what about the challenges you face today? How do you move forward?
Indeed, while we celebrate our rich heritage, we also face modern challenges, political unrest, social issues, and economic pressures. Yet our spirit remains unbroken. Egyptians are known for their tolerance and creativity.
Shukran Jazilan. Thank you, Egypt, for sharing your timeless story of greatness. Now, let us embark on a journey to the enchanting land of Egypt as our talented Grade 1 Daisy and Aster students perform a captivating Egyptian dance. Watch as they bring to life the elegance and vibrancy of ancient culture through their graceful movements. Presenting you Grade 1 Daisy and Aster.
3, 2, 1.
While every country has its own unique language, we will be showcasing these beautiful songs in regional languages to help us to better understand and appreciate the rich culture and tradition of each nation.
All the old paintings on the tomb, they do the sand dance, don't you know? If they move too quick, oh well, they're falling down like a domino. All the buzz on men by the Nile, they got the money on a bet. Old crocodiles, oh well, they snap their teeth on your cigarette. Foreign types of the hookah, I say, oh well, walk like an Egyptian. Walk like an Egyptian.
Thank you.
इश्क का गहरा है माशाल्लाह, तुझको चुराया है पाया है ये जहां।
माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह
That was absolutely stunning. A celebration of dance and music. Your dedication shines through. Thank you.
Oh, magical mirror, show us a land where nature and warmth go hand in hand, and where the spirit of resilience thrives.
We'll journey to the heart of East Africa, to Uganda, the pearl of Africa where the land and its people radiate beauty and strength.
Welcome to Uganda, the pearl of Africa. Our country is blessed with natural wonders, from the stunning landscape of Lake Victoria to the diverse wildlife in our national parks. The warmth of our people is reflected in our culture, where hospitality is a cherished value.
But your country has faced political unrest. How do you ensure peace for the future?
We are healing and building a better tomorrow. Our commitment to peace and unity drives us forward. We believe in our ability to overcome any challenge and work together to create a prosperous future for all Ugandans.
Thank you, Uganda, for sharing your journey of resilience and hope. Now let's witness the beauty of Uganda's culture as our grade 2 IB students perform a vibrant Ugandan dance, showcasing their energy and love for their homeland.
3, 2, 1.
Zumba hey, hagumba hey, ya zumba hey, agumba hey, ya zumba hey, hagumba hey, hi go, hey, zumba hey, hagumba hey, ya zumba hey, agumba hey, ya zumba hey, agumba hey, hi go, hey, ya.
है हागुंब है. Drop the bass.
Parents, please keep encouraging these little ones. Show up some energy. Keep clapping.
Please give them a huge round of applause.
Mind blowing! Your performance was an unforgettable fusion of dance, acrobatics, and energy. Don't you think they deserve a huge round of applause? Please give them a huge round of applause.
Oh, magical mirror, show us a land where the wild roams free and cultures blend in harmony.
Let's journey to the heart of East Africa, to Kenya, where the savannas stretch wide and the spirit of the land thrives in its wildlife and people.
Jambo, welcome to Kenya, a land of stunning contrasts and unforgettable experiences. Our country boasts breathtaking landscapes, from the golden savannas to the majestic peaks of Mount Kenya, each alive with unique charm. At the heart of our wilderness lies the iconic Masai Mara National Reserve, home to the greatest concentration of wildlife on the planet. Karibu, Kenya, where nature, culture, and innovation thrive together.
Your nature's beauty is breathtaking, but poverty and environmental challenges threaten your land. How do you cope?
Indeed, we face significant challenges. However, we are committed to protecting our environment, ensuring the preservation of our wildlife for future generations.
Thank you, Kenya, for sharing your inspiring story of resilience and hope. Now let's immerse ourselves in the vibrant culture of Kenya as our great tulip and daisy students showcase a lively Kenyan dance with their energetic movements and colorful attire. They will bring to life the spirit of Kenya, celebrating its traditions and love for nature. Presenting to you Great Tulip and Daisy.
2, 1.
Everybody ready?
Ready.
Beats ready, huh? Shanai. Mic testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
कोई आगे ना टिके साउंड ये फाड़ू रोके ना रुके खुद के बनाए सारे रास्ते मेरे
कहता मैं आगे तेरे दम लगाना तू शोर मचाना तू जोर ना तू आजमा ना बेटा ना मैं झुकता हूँ ना मैं झुकता हूँ रस्ते से जा सका
Feel the power. Feel the power. Feel the power. Feel the power.
Kenya is leading producer of geothermal energy. We are committed to a sustainable future, harnessing the natural resources of our beautiful land to the power progress. While every country has its own unique language, we will be showcasing these beautiful songs in regional languages.
इस रात का है अपना मजा आ यार मस्ती में तू झूम जा ओ, इस रात का है अपना मजा आ यार मस्ती में तू झूम जा बैठा है क्या सीटी बजा लुंगी पकड़ के जरा घूम जा
ये डांस तेरा देख देख झटके लगे तेज तेज दिल सबका धक धक करे
रंट लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे रंट लगा मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे तुमका मेरा एक्सीलेंट लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे तू नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे रंट लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे तुमका मेरा एक्सीलेंट लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे
Nandri, namaskaram.
Here Ilukuya Ajabu. Let's give them a heartfelt round of applause for that magnificent display. A dance spectacle like no other. The audience is on the edge of their seats. Thank you.
Oh, magical mirror shows a land where energy and creativity pulse through its people and strength defines its future.
We'll journey to Nigeria, the giant of Africa, where the land is filled with vibrant culture, innovation, and unbreakable spirit.
Welcome to Nigeria, the giant of Africa. Our land is vibrant, full of energy and potential. We are a country of music, art, and innovation, known for our rich cultural heritage.
Nigeria faces many challenges, from political issues to poverty. How do you navigate these difficulties?
Our spirit is unbreakable. We are working to overcome our challenges and create a future where every Nigerian can thrive. Our creativity and resilience fuel our progress.
Thank you, Nigeria, for sharing your inspiring vision of strength and progress. Now, let's celebrate the dynamic culture of Nigeria as our grade 3 Ivy and Lily students perform a lively Nigerian dance, showcasing the joy and diversity of their traditions.
3, 2, 1.
We are the sounds of the streets.
of movement and music. Your passion and energy are infectious. Thank you.
Now that we have explored the wonders of Africa, where do we go next?
A land where sparkling beaches meet vast outbacks and unique creatures roam free. A place of breathtaking landscape, ancient cultures, and modern vibrance. Now, let's travel to the land down under. Australia, a country known for its extraordinary wildlife, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture.
Welcome to Australia, famous for its stunning natural beauty, from the sparkling beaches and the Great Barrier Reef to the rugged outback and the iconic Uluru. We are home to unique wildlife like kangaroos, koalas, and wombats. Our modern cities like Sydney and Melbourne thrive alongside vast and untamed wilderness. Australia offers the perfect blend of adventure and relaxation, whether you're surfing, exploring rainforest, or discovering our rich indigenous history.
Your country is known for its beautiful wildlife and natural wonders. How does Australia balance modern development with preservation of its unique environment?
We are passionate about protecting our environment and wildlife. Australia is committed to sustainability and conservation. We've built one of the largest marine parks in the world to protect the Great Barrier Reef and are working hard to preserve our ecosystems for future generations.
Thank you, Australia, for sharing your breathtaking landscapes, rich heritage, and commitment to conservation. Now, let's celebrate the spirit of Australia with an exciting performance by our Grade 1 Ivy students, inspired by the rhythms and energy of the land down under. Presenting to you Grade 1 Ivy students.
While every country has its own unique language, we will be showcasing these beautiful songs in regional languages to help us better understand and appreciate the rich culture and tradition of each nation.
వెలుతురు తింటది ఆకు ఆకును తింటది మేక మేకను తింటది పులే ఇది కదరా ఆకలే
Australia is known for its sheep varieties. So we will be showcasing this song.
దాకో దాకో మేక పులొచ్చి కొరుకుద్ది పీక హుయ్ పొట్టేళ్ల కోతరా దిగిడి తుడి పోతరా దేవతకైనా తప్పదుయరా ఇది లోకం తల రాతరా
Taggedele! That's a ripper! That's ace! Let's make some noise for that fantastic performance. They earned our applause. Magical and mesmerizing. Masterful performance. Your dedication shines through. Thank you.